Hello everyone, I'm Buck WSR Weezer putting the into do-it-yourself. Our do-it-yourself project today shouldn't be a big complicated one, but concerns this Troy-Bilt mower, the TB240 with the Honda engine. And what we have, among other things that we've done, is we're looking at some front wheels. This is self-propelled lawnmower, front wheel drive. And these front wheels, these plastic rubbery type tires, are so worn. So you can hold this thing in place, it'll spin, and without grabbing anything, getting any traction. So the owner of this throws these at me and says, "Here, I got some new wheels, can you put these on?" And I said, "Well, that would be great, except these don't correspond to your lawnmower." I priced out the ones that would be replacements for this particular model, and that's these guys over here. So they've got the cogged inside because of the self-propelled, and a set of these, the best price I could find for two of these was $45. So the first question I'm wondering about is, do you think it's worth putting $45 wheels on this mower? I mean, it still operates without it. They tend to not have much traction. But we decided to go for it. So today we're going to replace these wheels. Now I already see one difference. I don't think it'll make any big difference, but these have hubcaps that pop off, where these hubcaps are integral to the wheel. So hopefully we've got the correct item, and it's just a slightly different design. So let's get started. I'm kind of hoping, I've got it up on blocks here, that this is just simply a unbolt the old ones and put on the new ones, and that's our project for today. So let's get going on that. Yeah, ba-ba. All right, let's get a couple of tools. Are these metric or standard sizes? Looks standard. That's a 9/16. Save that guy. He slides off. Appears to match up pretty much on the inside, don't you think? This seems fine. The backing plate seems okay. Bolts up pretty easily. Slides in pretty easily. Nut goes back on. Tightens down all right. That's not so bad. Let's try the other side. Pop off that hubcap. All right, everything here seems good. What's nice about this design, you're not going to lose your hubcaps. The back wheels lost its hubcap, so this design might actually be better aesthetically over the long haul. Tighten it down. You know, I really think that's all there is to it. New wheels. Bring it down. The question is it worth it? Let's take it for a spin and see what you think. Alright, that's probably the easiest job we've ever done together. I wonder if you think it was worth it. Would you spend $45 plus I got to charge a little bit for my time to put new wheels, or would you have been content with the old ones? Buck WSR Weeds are signing off with appreciation to you, my viewers. Like to hear your opinions, thoughts, comments, questions below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.